The problem is going to be collecting them. You've got to carry. If she can't carry in the truck, she sure as heck won't carry in the tank. Okay, just walk around the corner into a travers. Body, the front end stays on the track, it's the quarter that's it. Now, press, flex, right, come on, she fights you there. Keep it, keep it. You feel how the step inwards is big?
Yeah.
Support her back a bit. There, 3 tracks, there. Keep her flex right there, that's big enough. Make a circle out of it. Across the arena. Now think the same exercise again, less big. It's just quarter in. 3 tracks. Hold. Perfect. Hold. That feels different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's correct. Give her a big fuss.
She can maintain a proper walk rhythm.
3 tracks. All in the same at the front. Not 2 tracks with a great big gap in the middle. Sitting trot. Back. Close the leg. Keep her up in front. Circle. With your legs. I want nothing in the hands. Soft as butter. Kick her around. Come on. Quarter under, travers. Keep that front end on the track. You look straight down the wall. Push the quarter a bit more. There. Circle. How did that feel?
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, give us a circle there, then a half circle, and a half pass right. Look at me. First step, shoulder in, and then over. Over. Press. Keep her bent right. Keep her bent right. Well, that was lovely, wasn't it? Just walk, give her a rest. But you see what you did? You come onto this borderline,
Yeah.
shoulder in, flat, and then over. Otherwise, if you don't, you'll wind up with her going diagonally to the track, yeah? That was lovely into that movement. Trot again, sitting. Circle. With your legs, no hands. Kick her around. Push that quarter over. Bring her around. Keep that left contact. That's nice. Travers. Not too big. Lovely. Hold it. Keep going. Look straight down the wall. Half circle. Half pass left. First couple of steps, shoulder in. Now over. Press. Keep her bent left. Keep her bent left. Keep her bent left. 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 Walk
Harder
and
for
give her
her
a
that
fuss.
way.
Super. Wasn't that nice?
Yeah.
Now try to canter right again. Keep her up in front. Quarter underneath. Quarter underneath. Quarter underneath. Up in front. Canter. Up in front. Canter. Not bad. Yes, good correction. And that's a better canter, isn't it?
Yes.
Now stop. Left rein. Ah! Can you feel the right rein get heavy?
Yes.
And the left rein is empty, and that's where she gets you. But that was nicely corrected there. And walk and give her a fuss. Really nice.